there. So we have got some friends over tonight. Debbie and Monty are joining us for dinner. And so we wanted to do summery, fun dinner tonight. So we are doing blackened salmon tacos, and they have an avocado tomato salsa, and there is a cilantro ranch. Well, it's kind of ranch-like. It's basically ranch because it's yogurt, cilantro, lime juice, salt, and garlic. It makes it taste like ranch. Yum. So we are going to show you how we're going to assemble dinner tonight, and then we are going to enjoy dinner on our screened-in patio. So we're so excited they're here. Okay, so we basically took our seasoning mix on our salmon, and I had salmon that we had the skin on. So we cooked it skin side down. So now we cooked it about 15 minutes. So basically take some salmon. That's gonna go in the taco first. And then obviously personal preference. And look what Debbie brought. Bruschetta. Bruschetta. And some sourdough, and we toasted the sourdough and rubbed some garlic on it. And look at this other beautiful thing that Debbie brought from her garden. We have mint, and we have flowers, and cucumber, and peppers. Okay, so for the salmon tacos, this is the corn tomato avocado salsa. It's gonna go on top of the salmon. And then we're gonna add a little dollop of, I really hope that they like these. We'll have to review that later. Then some peach and tomato caprese salad. And we have got just a simple balsamic dressing. And if you've noticed from our videos, yes, this is the same salad that we had Saturday night because it is that good. And when it's summer and you have tomatoes and peaches, that's what you do. Yep. So then drizzle a little dressing on top, and voila, dinner. So we're gonna enjoy dinner with our friends tonight, and stay tuned for the results if they like it.
Yes, we will like it. And we know Mommy will love it because you made it.
So everybody has a happy plate. So I think dinner was a success, but do you guys want to add anything?
Well, I have to add, first of all, before the food, the company is spectacular. They're the best. So I love that. And just eating food with friends just makes it even better. But the food was absolutely incredibly good.
Monty, what did you think?
It truly was very good, and I agree with Debbie. It's wonderful being here with good friends. And I was honest with Krista and Scott, and I'll be honest again and say that this is the first time in my life that I've eaten a taco like this, and it was very good, and it actually tasted like a taco.
And Monty even added that he said, I had no idea you could put those flavors together and make them come out like that.
Yes.